What is going on, everybody? It's Jordan Johnson Alpha Capital, coming to you all with another great video. On this video, we're going to take a look at the US dollar index, and we're also going to take a look at gold. The video shouldn't be too long. We're going to dive into the content. Before we get into the content, real quick, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, shameless plug, follow the Facebook page, Jordan Forex Trader Johnson Alpha Capital. I post a lot of good content on here, and also join the Telegram group, the $1 Million Visions Telegram group. 468 people in here as of right now. And at the time of recording, I put a lot of my personal trades, setups, analysis, tips, everything in here, free to join. Definitely make sure you join this channel so that you can be plugged in. So with that said, let's get started. Let me record this for Telegram. I mean, not for Telegram, for TradingView. And we will get started. Okay, everybody, we're going to take a look at the dollar index first. Let's look at it on the daily time frame. Reset this chart. Let me go ahead and delete everybody so I can start from scratch. So on the dollar index, you all, this is how I am looking at it. To go ahead and start this off, I will be looking for the dollar index to make another, sizable move to the downside. Probably come retest these lows here that we set in place of June, on June 24th of this year. Let me put this down about right there. So this is how I am looking at this current structure. For those of you that don't know, I am a technical trader that primarily use Elliott wave analysis. I'm an Elliottician, but use all forms of technicals from harmonics to, just basic technicals. So I'm looking at this as an impulsive move down. It's kind of hard to say it's not. Now, where, I'm kind of debating on is if I have a 4 and a 5 wave already complete, which would give me a completed impulsive move down, which would mean we're already in a wave 2. So this could already be a completed wave 1. Or this could be a wave 4. Let me get this. This could be a wave 4 right here. Let me move this down. So it could be 1, 2, third impulse, then a deep wave for complex structure, looking to go down for a wave 5. That could be the case. This could be, wave 1, completing a wave 1. So we did not violate the extreme point of this wave 1 here, so this very well could be a wave 4. I do not like my wave 4s to be that deep, so I really probably want to kind of lean on it like this: a wave 4, wave 5, wave 1 here. Either way, it really don't matter. The big move here that I'm looking for in the dollar is the dollar to lose strength. Like I said, come back down, retest some lows. At least come back down and retest these lows, definitely. So let's drop down to a lower time frame. Let's come down to a 4-hour time frame and see what we see. So we can kind of see that structure a little bit better. You can see this wave 1, the wave 2, big wave 3. And maybe this was a wave 4 with the wave 5 that terminated, or it was a something of like an expanded flat of A, B, C looking to go down. Either way, honestly, you all, I don't think it matters. Let's try to kind of play and see what we can get at. If this it's moved down here, you all, this definitely does look impulsive. So with that being said, we could I'm giving you different viewpoints of how you play this, you all. if you watch any of my videos, I always kind of say this to get a little bit off track of the technicals. Learning how to read these charts, learning all the technical analysis, learning how to forecast trade ideas and speculate on what price could do. That's great. That's a great skill set to have. But the real skill set is to be able to take your trading ideas and be able to articulate them into profits while trading. So having a consistent trading plan, having a clear, clear entry setups, clear setups to take you out of profit, to put you into profit, risk management, trade management, position size, all of that thing is going to make you a consistently profitable trader. Learning how to just, speculate and forecast ideas is great. It's fun. But being able to take this stuff and be able to identify profitable trade setups is where the real money is. And that's what I really like teaching traders how to do. But back to some technicals. Look to the left, structure leave clues. This is going to be a good area of coming up support, a great demand area. We can draw some Fibonacci on her as well. Fibonacci retracement. Let's start from the bottom to the top. I really like just probably start right there. Make sure it's down at the bottom. We are probably sitting on the 38.2. Let's delete some of these deeper ones. Let's put the 50 and 38.2 on her. We really haven't even reached the 38.2 yet. So that leads me to believe that we will come deeper. And then once we come deeper, it's a few things we could be doing. If this move down was already a completed one, we're looking for a termination of 2 for this move to go down. So we could, go back up higher. Let's do this. Get into some advanced technicals and Fibonacci. Let's measure this whole move down. So we really are at the 61.8. Let me take this 38.2 off so you all don't get confused. So we achieved the 50, haven't really achieved the 61.8 yet. Which very well could be valid for a wave too, especially if this is an ABC flat and full, which I don't think. I'm kind of leaning towards we're going to complete a wave 2 here. Me personally, I'm probably going to be looking for buy setups on the dollar. Let's go down to a 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame on the dollar. Let's look at this. This is the big orange box of confusion, orange box kill zone where we're looking for price to come back. Let's do this. Let's draw some Fibonacci extensions. We could be forming some type of a zigzag pattern. Let's look at this here to here. Boom, boom, boom. All right, let's delete this one. Let's put on another kill box, probably somewhere between this 1618, 1272. We can go ahead and just put it all the way up here just to kind of give us a big, kind of a big kill zone. So this is the scenario I am personally leaning towards. Arrow price to come back up. So probably, like I said, look for dollar to probably fall somewhere into this box for a good buy setup. That's what I'm leaning towards, but we could go all the way down. So I said you gotta have some type of trade plan. You gotta know what type of trader are you. Are you like me? I am a swing trader that likes to be in direction with the underlying trend, and like to just pretty much ride the direction of the trend. Are you a swing trader? Are you a scalper? Are you a trend following trader? Are you a counter trend trader? Are you a harmonic trader? These are all questions that you need to ask yourself and that you need to know just, for you to be consistently profitable. You got to have something to trade on. You got to treat your trading like a business. I always preach that. And for those of you that's watching this on Trading Views, you don't follow the YouTube channel. Follow my YouTube channel, Jordan Johnson MDV. I post a lot of content on there. Join the Telegram group, $1 Million Visions. Real quick, let's take a look at gold. Let's look at gold. Where is gold? Right here. I think I only got like less than a minute to do this for Trading View. So real quick, let's look at some of the ideas I posted yesterday. Last week. Pound yen, very good. Made some good money on pound yen. Boom. Hopefully you was able to capitalize on that trade. I did do a video on US 30 oil, Euro, Swiss. All of them was doing pretty good. I actually posted an analysis on gold. That did pretty good as well. Gold wave analysis set up. Boom. Went down. Now I'm going to update you all on that. And also US 30 I posted last week is doing pretty amazing. Boom. Big move up as I kind of forecasted. Now if I go over 10 minutes, sometimes TradingView will just stop and I have to start over. I don't want to do that, so I'm probably going to stop this on TradingView. And I'm going to stop this on TradingView. Then I'm going to start another video as I go over gold. So let me stop that. Okay, so that's uploading. Hopefully this don't take too long, you all. Okay. And I gotta do it because I had a few videos. I think like last week's video I did it. I tried to like record the whole video on TradingView and it like just like stopped and I didn't get a chance to save it. So let's see if I can just open up another TradingView tab and go right back to the charts and start another video. Okay. Let me mute this. Reload. Okay. And let's publish. Let's try to record another video. Which one? I think it's the second one. No. First one. Okay, sorry about the wait for everybody that's watching this on YouTube. Let's get back into it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, TradingView. Hopefully you all watched the video on my dollar index. If you didn't, go watch it. It's quick video on the gold. Look at gold. I was showing everybody that's watching this on YouTube. This was my gold analysis that I published on November 7th. A, B, C, D, E, I believe we was finishing up a triangle going down into my my blue box. Boom. We had a very nice break. Now we're coming back up doing some type of a correction. Let's take a look at that. Let's just go ahead. Let's pretty much just delete everything. Let's see if we go to a daily time frame. Daily time frame. So this is how, I'm looking at this. I see, I believe we have a WXY structure. Let's get some Fibonacci extensions. We're going to measure the distance of W through X. And this is going to give us a kill zone. See, all the stuff I do, I don't try to, some people that do these videos and analysis, they try to hide the, how they, they do their technicals. It's not rocket science. I can like teach anybody how to read the charts like a master. What most people don't know is just, kind of the business side to trading. So WXY, I'm looking for another move down. Let's drop down 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, this is how I'm looking at it. I believe we already have a fifth wave. We have 5 waves down. I'm looking for another move down to the downside. And the reason why this is buffering, you all, I got my analysis on TradingView that I just did on dollar index is publishing. At the same time, I'm trying to publish this video, post this one for you, and I'm also recording my screen for everybody on YouTube. So it's a lot going on in the background. I appreciate everybody's patience. Let's add on a 38.2 field level onto this screen. We have achieved the 38.2. This is where I wouldn't be surprised if we do come back up, retest just this level in between this 5061.8, just to kind of see what, just to really just come back up and retest that level. Ultimately, I am looking for price to come back down to the downside. Oh, what's this? The slowness is getting to me. Let's get an arrow. Looking for price to come back down to the downside. At 4 hour, let's drop it down to a hourly time frame. Drop it down to this hourly time frame. This is kind of what we're looking at. We might have already started this down move. Let's see. Let's change this color of this box. I like this one to be blue. So this is the setup I'm looking at on gold, you all. Pretty good setup. We might get this break right here. It could be a good sell signal. But honestly, this 200 is acting as resistance. This move down, we have one move down, corrective, starting to go back down again. Ultimately, I am looking for the move down in gold to come back down, reach my blue box, just as I pointed out on the 4 hour daily time frame. This is what I'm looking for, you all. I would love to see gold get down to about the 1420 area. So that's the setup I'm looking at, you all. Like I said, if you're watching this on TradingView, this is just a quick analysis I did on gold. Go back, watch the video that I'm publishing on the dollar index on TradingView as well. And also, if you're watching this on YouTube, I definitely appreciate all of you, watching this video, sitting through, while I kind of record all of these different videos for all of the different platforms. So one way that you all can stay kind of up to date with exactly what I'm doing in the trade setups is by being plugged into the Telegram channel. Those of you that are in the Telegram channel know that I do constantly, I post my personal trades in there, just from my entries to where I'm getting out at, my wins, my losses. I kind of show everything in there. I hope you all like this video. As always, if you do appreciate these videos that I do post up, like, share, comment, share them with other traders if you don't mind. It costs nothing to show support. I do these videos for free, and if I must say, the material is good. A lot of you all message me and tell me that, so I definitely do appreciate that. I wish much success to everybody this week with your trading. I hope you make a lot of profits. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to the channel. Thanks.